Welcome everybody. We are going to engage in an exercise together to develop and practice seeing auras. First, you will begin to see the aura of a leaf, and later we will look at seeing the aura of our hand. At the beginning, you will be only able to see the outer layers of aura. However, with time and practice, you too will have the ability to see the higher levels as well. For this exercise, you will need a leaf or a little cluster of leaves as I have here. You will need a quiet room, preferably with a white wall. The ideal time to practice this is at dusk when the light is low, as our eyes will need to switch to night vision for the best chance for us to see aura. However, if nighttime is not possible, another way to do it is to gently close your eyes just a little, looking through your eyelashes. This will give a very similar sensation, and you too should be able to see aura in this way. Let's begin. We will start by sitting down across from our white wall. Your back should be supported in a chair or on the ground with your feet flat on the ground. Let's connect with our breath, taking a few minutes. Breath rising, breath falling, slowing down inside. If it is not dusk, avert your eyes as your breath rises and falls, starting to drift into another time and realm. Inhaling, exhaling. Hold your leaf out in front of you, in front of the white wall. Now soften your gaze as you look at the leaf in your hand or leaves in your hand, and hold this soft gaze. Gently, quietly, sensing, feeling. Stay with it, and you will begin to see the energy field surrounding your leaf. Once you can sense the energy field surrounding your leaf, we will move on to practice with our hand. Extend one arm out, palm facing your white wall. Start with your fingers together. My hand is at shoulder length in front of me. However, for you, put it in front of your face. However, for the video's sake, mine is beside me. Fingers together, soften your gaze and look at your hand. Hold this soft gaze, either at the twilight, dusk time, or with your eyes averted, looking through your eyelashes for around 30 seconds. Be gentle with yourself, and you will begin to see the energy field surrounding your hands. It will appear first like a little fuzzy piece of static electricity zipping around them, moving, folding. Once you get the sense of this, slowly spread your fingers apart. Continue with a soft gaze, looking at your fingers and the space between your fingers. What do you see? Remain alert with your soft focus. With time and practice, you will begin to see an outline around your hand, around your fingers. At first it may appear as a heat wave, almost colourless field. Later on you will begin to see different colours of your aura. patiently observe. There is nothing to strive for here, just be here in the moment, softly focusing on your hands. With practice, you will be able to do this exercise during daylight or in any other light conditions. However, using the white background, particularly at the twilight or dusk time, or your eyes averted, is a fabulous way for you to get started. Particularly, don't forget, try a leaf. Mother Nature provides us with some of the simplest tools and the easiest access to the other realms. Enjoy!